Hey guys, it's Allison. I'm just in the middle of scrapbooking here and Cassie mail came. I'm so excited. This is actually the fastest I've ever received a paper issues order in the mail, which really excites me. Up until today, it's taken a month to reach me here in the Great White North. I ordered this at the beginning of the month, November 2nd. Today is the 13th, meaning it took 10 days to get here rather than a month. I'm very impressed. So are you guys ready for a scrapbook haul? I'm excited to share this with you. Obviously, I haven't opened the box yet because I'm opening it right now, trying to cut it open. In my last paper issues haul video, I mentioned that orders always come wrapped in a houndstooth tissue paper and red bow. There is proof of that. It always comes in a handy dandy little box too, like most orders do. I actually kept the tissue paper from my very first paper issues order. I haven't kept any more, and I haven't used it in my crafting yet either, but I do plan on it one day. It's going to get a bit noisy here for a second till I get this all opened up. Ooh, plaid. Oh, and there's the card. So this is the same as the last one. I'm pretty sure it was the same as this. A little note from Cassie and her contact information. Oh, a stamp! How fun is that? I like the pattern on it. So I just figured I would go through the kit like I did last time and show you all the goodies that are in it and the paper. I haven't seen anything yet that is in the kit, so I will be just as excited as you are as I go through all of this. So of course, to start is a stamp set. It's Woven Line by Kaiser Craft. Can you see that very well? Pretty excited about that. We've got some die cut shapes from the Late Afternoon collection by Any Tangerine. I'm not going to open them up or use them all. How great is this? You can use the packaging. I love that leaf. Copper foil pieces included. Ooh, very cool. So here's all the images that are an image of all the icons that are in the collection. Very appropriate for this time of year. That Hello Autumn one with the pumpkins in it is fun. Of course, I'm a sucker for florals. That's cute. So there's that. We've got some LE Studio chipboard stickers. I love LE Studio. And then of course, since we're speaking of LE Studio, we have, oh, those are stuck together. LE Studio acetate die cut alphas. These are so much fun. I have them in teal color as well, which was part of a previous paper issues kit. I haven't used them in a while, but they are a lot of fun. I love the color too. So there's the stickers, chipboard stickers. Oh. Pretty little studio cut apart labels. Those are fun. Paige Evans puffy stickers with navy foil. Oh, these are so pretty. This is Go the Scenic Route from that collection. And now the papers. I love this paper because it's florals, of course. This is Bright Bouquets Late Afternoon Any Tangerine paper. And on the flip side, that's pretty too. I don't know if you can see it very well on the camera, but it's kind of like a dot pattern. And I love that you can use the zip strip or the product label strip up at the top. Oh, I love this. I love the color. This is also Any Tangerine from Late Afternoon. This is Marigold Meadows. And a really nice red polka dot. Pretty daisy paper, also from Any Tangerine's Late Afternoon. This is called Good as Gold. And some more of that mustard yellow. There's a, I don't know if it shows up very well. Almost like a raindrop pattern. Hi, Nugget. Kitty went and got her vaccinations yesterday. She's just coming to say hello to me. She's not feeling so hot today, I don't think. She's been, there we go, she was stuck on me. MIA most of the day. She's finally just come out of her hole, but she looks kind of rough. Pretty leaf pattern paper, also Any Tangerine. I wonder if these are all Any Tangerine this time. Most of them by the looks of it. I think there's some others in there too. This is Falling for You. Oh, and a pretty pink, like a V pattern paper. You can kind of see it there. Beautiful blue. Bring Your Own Weather. Oh, that's pretty. This is ledger paper. This is also Any Tangerine paper from the Late Afternoon collection. Basil cardstock. This is marshmallow cardstock. Very nice. I love this. It's called Spotted, also from the Late Afternoon collection. Ooh, that's fun too. There's a cut apart paper, also from Late Afternoon. This is Beautiful You. I like that journal card. This plaid is so fun. A lot of great colors in this collection. I can see cutting this one apart. I can actually see cutting the leaves out too. Oh, a really nice lined paper with some watercolor accents in the top left and bottom right. And then that plaid again. Another mustard yellow. This is really pretty. Oh, and this is Late Afternoon as well. This is Afternoon Outing. These cameras would be perfect for fussy cutting. That's a lot of fun. I like this ombre too. Rainbow Lane is what it's called. Late Afternoon by Any Tangerine. And the flip side, that's pretty. I really like that. More flowers, which is really sweet. Oh, so this is, except for that cardstock, all Any Tangerine Late Afternoon this time. That's exciting. Stitched Together is what it's called. And there's that awesome plaid that we saw at the very beginning. There you are, my friends. How, oops, I just knocked my phone. How exciting is that? I don't have any more orders coming in. Like I said, I've got to be careful. I have to be a good girl and not spend as much. So yeah, that's all I have to show you today. Maybe sometime soon I will have another process video for you. I do actually. I have one coming up for Scrapbook Nerd. It'll go live on Tuesday. So I will get that posted to my channel. But I just wanted to pop in and show you this new collection scrapbooking kit, not collection, from Paper Issues. I believe there are still some left in the Paper Issues shop, so I will leave the link below. So if anybody wants to go check that out, they can and support a small business. And I will see everyone again very, very soon with another video. Bye, guys.